Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable budget in first window of Football Manager Mobile 2024. So no transfer window, you cannot participate in transfer window, you cannot buy player. You can disable the budget. Like this, for example, tap your club. I'm choosing Manchester United in this file. Tap finance. So if you disable the transfer budget or disable budget in first window transfer, this your budget will be nil. Sorry, here will be nil. I'm turning on the budget so I can participate in transfer window. So if you don't wanna participate or you want some challenge with your default player, you can turn it off. Like get back to main menu or starting menu. You have to play new game here, starting a new game. But before that, tap setting and tap the starting configuration. This is budget in first window. Try to disable this. So you cannot participate in transfer window in first window of transfer market. So you cannot buy player here. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.